it's number 30, it's B.
Yeah, 30 it will be correct, yes. And remember then it could refer to cause and effect relation.
Yes.
That is right. What is next?
Next, 31. It's I skipped this 1 second.
Yeah, let's read again, but very quickly.
Okay. Is it A?
Yeah, so letter A is the best answer, yes. As the question says, emphasize the achievement only. So this one focus on the achievement only. That's right. 32.
Before the exam by a week, we're gonna start taking classes every day, right?
Oh yes, it could be 10 days before, yes.
Okay, but يعني I need to know because that period of time I will have exams. Any school exams.
We'll set everything.
Okay.
That's great.
Yeah.
Did you answer 32?
Yeah, 32. It's I don't know if this is correct, but I think it's yeah B, yeah D.
B or D?
Yeah, it's B or D.
Yeah, if you are confusing, go to the question to emphasize a similarity between them. When you look careful between B and D,
It's B more, but
I said both of them, and both of them has similar things, so similarity.
so it's B.
So it's be correct. Letter D has no similarity, it has comparison, look difference. While if you imagine, 33.
Uh, 33. Is it C? Is 33 C?
So 33 plus to be C, and DC is correct, yes. Yeah, for module number 2, did you do it?
Yes, I started in it, but I did only the first 6 questions.
Let's say correct and vertical.
Okay. So for number 1, it's C.
Number 1, it's a C, correct, yes. Number 2,
It's A.
so number 2, it's a letter A. No, let's try again.
Okay. Inspired by D.
So inspired by is correct. So she is inspired by experience, by drawing and details. She did this action. As you imagine, just like you are looking for a reason. And all of this sentence, it is an explanation after dash to something mentioned before. So you are looking for something already explained before and after. That is right. Of course, all of these, it's opposite to the tone of the text. And of course, it's about complementary. Okay. Number 3.
Is it B? Sorry, C.
Number 3, C, it is correct. Number 4.
Number 4. Is it? I don't know.
Just say your answer. If it's correct, you just get it. Wrong, will you answer again?
C.
So letter C, no. Let's try again now.
What does the second word mean? Manifest. Manifest. Wait, let me search it.
So
Is
now,
it B?
so letter B, it's correct, but we need to know why. As you know, manifest, it's a common word. It means just like evident, or
Yeah.
or
It's a thought sign or an action thingy.
yes. So this is means the use of handmade materials and intricate ornaments, reminiscent of medieval. This is proves actions. And they mentioned here repudiation. Repudiation means refuse, rejection. So he rejected the industrialization. But what is the proof that he used handmade materials, not industrialized? You feel it? If that is evidence to this point. It's not about complicated, it's opposite. A and D, it's opposite, of course, opposite to the tone. And the scrutinize, we are not talking about looking for details or something else. Feel it?
Yes.
Yeah, that is correct. How about number 5?
Number 5, is it B?
Number 5B. It is correct. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Number 6, did you answer it?
Yes. Until here, but the rest I did not solve.
Alright, so what is 6?
I think it's A. But when I reread it now again, it's C.
So C, it's a correct, yes.
C is correct. Okay.
Yeah, he asked for the main purpose, and it was determination to meet a goal. This means he has determination to achieve his success. So he tried to do a lot of actions to do it. He was reading a book a day. So the first author, and already she had read about the bees and buffaloes. To see for all her enthusiasm, this means she continued. She did a lot of actions to achieve the goal. This is great. We don't have any information about enjoyment of unusual topics. We don't have any comparisons for why she prefers reading over other activities. You mentioned? Right. Now take your time, but very quickly.
Okay. I'll solve it. Is it D?
So I think it's letter D, and the D it is correct. That's right. All the information describes the experiment. We need any details to know it's experiment. Number 1, they hypothesized. Number
Yes.
2, we have that he set out to test it. He said they used, and then he said information what happened, and then this led to a conclusion. So describe the experiment right. Do we have any information that they whose result cast doubt on an established hypothesis? Yes, the conclusion this one, this here proves that this is one could be wrong. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that is could be that this is right. Yeah, perfect. Great try.
Is it A?
So
Is
you
the
see,
answer?
so you think it's a letter A?
Yes.
No. So why it's not C? Remember the verb concede means they agreed that. Now the function of the underline. The underline concedes agrees proves that not all people in medieval Europe had access because it was only available mainly to town dwellers, not the villagers, not in other areas. So no, that's why. Letter B it's wrong. Why? Because you said here a limitation of studies. I'm not talking about disadvantages or limitations or any demerits for the studies. It talks about something else. And remember, this is the first clause of this sentence. So what is the main point of the sentence all it? It does not talk about the studies of the history. So of course, B must be wrong. Out of target of question. Found it?
Yes.
But if we look here, we found here, already we know that we have limitation in this historical studies, but the question asks for the underlined only. So be careful about this. And of course, here all of them out of mention of the question. Right, you did it. Number 9.
Number 9. Okay. Can I ask a question?
Mhm.
Can I only read the underline while I have to read the text and the underline so I can take out the answer?
Now, of course, you must read all of it, but very quickly. But try to mention what the underline mentioned for. For example, here, this underline connected to this one.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And this is between two dashes to help you to understand what is a movement. Why? Because perhaps we give you information in the underline, it's connected to something mentioned before. For example, tend. What is tend? If you and they make it, and what is it? That's why. If it is only the underline, the test maker will not give you all of these details. But the problem is to read it properly and to know how the test maker is reading questions. One out of topic, one is audited, one not mentioned, one is negative, one is antonym. This one, please see it very carefully.
طيب. Is it C?
So now C is the best answer. That is right. Okay.
Okay.
Did you find it?
Oh, wait 1 second. It's A or B or C, sorry.
Well, let him see it's correct. Why? Because he said here, this may be appear counterintuitive. It means opposite to what expected. That is, there is a negative correlation between share of development derived from natural. He said, but his notes, natural resources industries boom bust cycle can destabilize local currencies and increase the vulnerability to external shocks, and so creating uncertainty, to which foreign investors typically hate. So I do not avoid that means they have strong dislike something. That proves the legacy. Foreign investment would increase. The people also think that, but the opposite happens as focus on the main sentence. That is the main idea of the text. So on that.
Okay.
Very well. It could be Kaufman.
Number 11. Is the answer C?
So answer it must be letter C, yes. Number one, focus on the question, what does it need, but do it very quickly. I said, what could be inferred about the finding? So we need to find the finding here about this one. So what can we do? Number one, we need to use the style of the language. Crucially, as you know, very important to focus on. As you know, crucially, it's a transition word. This means the following. We're going to prove something before. And they said here to attribute the acceleration, to attribute just like to show the reason. See that?
Yes.
And we have another expression, it. What means it? It means and so on, and so forth, and among others, just like Latin expression. Not to feel confused, okay?
Okay.
Now let's try 12.
Is it C?
So you think it's a letter C, and
Yes.
the letter C it is correct. That's right. Now let's try the next. Complete the text, okay.
I don't understand how to solve this
I
type of question
there is
in
no way,
exams.
there is no way to answer it. We always follow the question, what does it need? A set of,
It's the same like the others, right?
yes, just learn to complete. So we need to read how could we complete it. Let's read it together to see how do we read the text as an experiment. In 2021, 4 out of the United States national parks that were among the most visited were Grand Canyon National Park. Okay, now Rocky, all right, understand. Now, the graph shows that the number of visits for creation to each of these parks during the 3 month period was the highest number of visitors. The graph says that. Okay, students note that among the parks shown in the graph, the park with the highest monthly creation visits in all 3 months was So we need which one was the highest monthly calculation. Do you found that? So
Yes.
which one it has so just like we need to check. So which one is the highest? That is the point. Now look here for the highest one. It's up here. The big numbers, number of visits. So the highest in number. So this is the black. This is the black here. It refers to Yellowstone. Now let's go to find Yellowstone. You will find it letter Z. That's fine. So what complete the sentence? The last sentence already. Feel it? And we have here hunt highest one. That's all. It's very easy. And this is a question, as you know, number one, he said to illustrate the claim. So we need to find the claim. Where is the claim? Let's go to find it. Lines written in early spring, alright, this is the name of the poem by this person, okay. So William Wordsworth, as you know, this famous poet. In the poem, the speaker describe what? Describe that. So this is your claim. So you need to find evidence, lines to support this claim. Let's try.